Start. Okay. 10:20. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we are continuing same integration exercise 7.4 and problem number 5. Problem number 5. Now see, integral 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 dx. This is the problem given, that is problem number 5. Now here what we will do again, yesterday I told you, what I told you, just see here what is there, x is there, so whose antiderivative is x? Antiderivative of x square is x, therefore put x square is equal to t, then 2x dx is equal to dt. So we want only x dx, so x dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. So here already 3 is there, I took outside integral x by, again as I said, when there is quotient of x power 4 or x square, better to take common so that there won't be any human errors. So I took 2 common here, then it is 1 by 2 plus x square whole square dx. X power 4 are written as x square whole square. So now what is x dx value? 1 by 2 dt. So 3, here 3 is there, here 2 is there denominator which you are taken common. So 3 by 2 integral x dx by 1 by 2 are written as 1 by root 2 whole square plus x square whole square. Now 3 by 2, what is x dx? Half dt. So 1 by 2 dt by root of 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. So how much you will get now? 3 by 4 is equal to integral 3 by 4 into integral dt by 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square. So yesterday we derived some formulas. Among them, this is which form? Integral dx by a square plus x square. A square plus x square 1 by or 1 by x square plus a square, both are same. Therefore 3 by 4 into, what is the formula of 1 by x square plus a square? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Root is not there, see. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a. A means how much? 1 by root 2 into tan inverse x is how much? T by a, 1 by root 2. This root 2 goes in 4, 2 root 2 times. Therefore 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse root 2t, that is equal to 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2 into t means how much? X square. So 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. So same, yesterday what we did, that problems only continuing now. Now problem number 6 now. Integral x square by 1 minus x power 6 dx. So as and when I have seen the numerator x square, the antiderivative is x cube. So immediately put x cube is equal to t. So therefore 3x square dx is equal to dt. X square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So keeping in mind, directly I wrote now. X square dx is how much? 1 by 3 dt. 1 by 3 outside, dt here by 1 minus x power 6. How can you write? X cube whole square. What is x cube? T. So it is t square. So 1 by 3 integral dt by 1 minus t square. Which formula? Dx by a square minus x square. So 1 by 2a log mod of a plus x by a minus x. So basing on that formula, 3 into 2 6, 1 by 6 log mod of 1, here I am sorry, 1 minus, here 1 plus, here 1 minus, 1 plus t means 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube over plus c over, that is very simple. So formula we have to find out. Next problem number 7 here. Integral x minus 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx. It is nothing but again put x square is equal to t, we can write. So first of all we have to separate it, denominator, numerator, because two terms are there. So that is the reason integral x by root of x square minus 1 dx minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So as and when I have seen root of x square minus 1 in numerator, denominator, I got it is in the form of f dash x by root f of x. Integral dx is equal to 2 root f of x. Basing on that, what is the derivative of x square? 2x. So now what is missing? 2 missing. I wrote 2 here, divided by 2 here. So 1 by 2 into 2x by root of x square minus 1 dx, according to the formula integral f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to 2 root f of x. So that is why 1 by 2 into root of x square minus 1 minus 1 by integral x square minus a square under root, that is log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. So same formula we have applied there. So 2 to cancel, root of x square minus 1 minus log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c, over. That problem is over. So next problem number 8, integral x square by root of x power 6 plus a power 6. In this case, what you have to do? Again here you have seen numerator is x square, so antiderivative is x cube. Therefore, put x cube is equal to t. 3x square dx is equal to dt. x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So therefore, here also x square dx by root of x power 6 are written as x cube whole square plus a cube whole square. Now 1 by 3 into integral x square dx means dt by root of x cube means t square plus a cube whole square. Therefore, it is in the form of 1 by 3 into log of 1 by root of x square plus a square. Same formula, log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. So after simplification, after substituting instead of t, 1 by 3 log of t is nothing but x cube plus root of t square means x cube whole square, x power 6 plus a cube whole square, a power 6 plus c, over. So here what are the formulas we are used? 1 by x square, 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by root of a square minus x square, 1 by root of x square minus a square, 1 by a square plus x square, like that. Those formulas only, those 6 properties only we got it. Now problem number 9, integral secant square x by square root of tan square x plus 4 dx. So immediately what we will do? Put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t means secant square x dx is equal to dt. So integral dt by root of tan x and t means t square plus 4 means 2 square. So integral 1 by root of x square plus a square, again the same, log mod of t plus root of t square plus a square. So wherever t is there, I substituted x cube. So log mod of x cube plus root of x power 6 plus 4 plus c. So my dear students, these are all mechanical process. In this, nothing, no intelligence is required for these problems. Simply formulas. If you know formulas, so put it to the derive, simplify the given problem into that formulas, then you simplify it. That's all. Apply the formulas, then you will get it. So in this, nothing, no intelligent. Only thing is which substitution you have to take means see the numerator. If the antiderivative of the numerator, take as a t. That's all. That is only one thing you have to remember. Remaining everything is see now. Very fastly we did all this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My dear students, why I am teaching each and every problem means most of the problems, this is only, you will come to know how I am doing. So how you should practice, how you should remember your formulas, like that. For that purpose only I am doing all these problems. Okay, let us move to the next problems. Next problem means, now next type are there. What is the next type? We will see now. Okay. Now I'll rub it off. What is the next step? I told you that day. First let us finish this type, then we'll go to the next step. So we have derived 6 formulas. 1 by integral 1 by x square plus a square, integral a square minus x square, integral a square plus x square, integral root of a square minus x square, integral root of x square plus a square, like that. Correct or not? So all the 6 formulas were derived basing on that. The first whatever the formulas has come, problems are there, we did it. Now we are going to the in this only second type. What is the second type? I'll tell you. If any given function, this is also very important, entrance point of view also important. A given function is of the form integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx, either this form or integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, either this form or root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx, integral either this form. Any these 3 forms has come means we have to do how to proceed the problem. Here you have to remember, whenever a problem is given in this form, particularly these 3, what you have to do, whatever the ax square plus bx plus c, that quadratic expression we should put into perfect square form. We should put into perfect square form. I think this you know from the school days onwards, but anyhow, once again I'll just explain you how to write into the perfect square form. So first of all, example I'll take you, better off in this. Example I'll take x square plus 2x plus 5, like that is there. One function expression, quadratic expression is there. This we want to put into quadratic form, perfect square form. So how to do? As we know that here this is square is there, means we will treat this is a, then it is in the form of a square. A square means x square. Next, what will be there? Any identity? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, it should be plus 2ab or minus 2ab must be there, you know. So here plus is there, means plus 2ab. 2 means 2 only formula. A means how much? X. So here 2x already is there. So it what must be there? Only 1 must be there. So b must be 1. So b square is how much? 1. So how much is here? 5. Now 5 can be split into 1 plus 4. So this is what happened now. X square plus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as x plus 1 whole square plus 4. So after putting into the perfect square form like that, x square plus 2x plus 5, this is how generally we do. I'll tell you this only, but in another way, which is very easy for you to remember, means we can practice, means we will get it. What is that, sir? The same you take it, no problem, the same you take it. First of all, you see there is no x square quotient. If there is any x square quotient, you have to take common. That is already I told you before problems, and I also said it is mandatory. So therefore here already there is no quotient is there. Okay, so first whatever the variable is there, that you take x. What is the variable there? X. You write x. What is the sign there before 2? That you write. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. Next, half of the x quotient. What is the x quotient? 2. In that half means 1 by 2. So half of the x quotient. X quotient is 2. Half means 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. How much you will get? 1 whole square you write. Okay, whole square you write. Then minus whatever the number is here, square it, minus of square of the number. 1 is there, 1, 2 is there, 4, 3 is there, 9, like that. Okay, next whatever the constant is there, you add it. Plus 5 is there, you write plus 5 over. Then how much will come? X plus 1 whole square, 5 minus 1 plus 4, this only. So small problem means it is easy. Very 29x square plus 35, something like that is given, fractional part is there. So instead of doing this is very easy. Once again explain you, whatever the quotient of x square is there, if at all present, then you should take common. Then whatever the variable is here, that you write. Whatever the sign is here, you are right. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. Then half of the x quotient, half means 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 whole square, that constant whole square, minus, that will always be minus only, minus square of the number. What is the number here? 1. 1 square means 1, plus given constant. If it is plus 5, you write plus 5. If it is minus 5, you write minus 5. That's all. Now simplify. X plus 1 whole square, 5 minus 1, 4. That's all. That is the perfect square. So all these format problems, whichever comes, first of all you have to put into this form. Then we apply the formulas. What are the formulas there? 1 by root of x square plus a square, 1 by root a square. That is as usual. But is whatever we did, those formulas only will apply now. Okay? Let us see now. I think you understood. Now while doing the problems also you can understood. So don't worry. Okay? Let me explain in the problems. So let us move to the next problems. Clearly each and every problem, listen carefully, my dear students. Now let us move to the problem number 10 now. Problem number 10. Okay, I'll write here problem number 10. Integral 1 by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. This is given. X square plus 2x plus 2 given. So just now I told you, what I told you, x square plus 2x plus 5. Now it is plus 2 given. That's all. That's the only difference. Now you see, directly I will do here. Integral 1 by square root of, as usual, square root of. Here there is no, is there any x square coefficient? No. Very happy. What is the variable? X. You write x. What is the sign? Plus. You write plus. Half of the x quotient. What is the x quotient? 2. Half means 1 by 2. Sorry, 1. So x plus 1 whole square. What I told you after that? Minus square of the number means minus 1. What constant present here? Plus 2. You write plus 2 here, dx. Understood, you know? Clearly you understood. 100%. So variable x, sign plus half of the x quotient whole square minus square of the number plus constant present there. So how can you write now? This is integral 1 by square root of x plus 1 whole square. Now plus 2 minus 1 means plus 1 and 1 square dx. Now which formula it is? Integral dx by 1 by root of x square plus a square. 1 by root of x square plus a square. That formula we have to do. So 1 by x square plus a square means what we will do now? 1 by log mod of x. X means x plus 1 plus root of x square plus a square. After simplification, this only you write x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. That's all. Over. This is what you do. Log mod of x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 2x plus 2 over. This is the problem. Already we know the formula, we applied here. Only we did here, only that perfect square 1. So let us move to the problem number 11 now. In this problem number 11, integral 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. This is the problem. 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Now this is what you are given now. So when you see this, yes, here x square coefficient is there. You make a mandatory. So better. Now I can write, sir, I know very well, means 3x whole square, no problem, I can manage, means you can manage. Otherwise divide by 2. So both methods I will tell you. Suppose first of all, if you want to write like this only, now 3x whole square means a square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x means 6x plus b means 1, b square means 1, 5 can be written as 1 plus 4 dx. So integral 1 by, this is nothing but 3x plus 1 whole square plus 4 up to this a plus b whole square. Plus 4 means how can you write 2 square dx? Which formula it is? If you treat this is x, then integral 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. According to the formula, 1 by a, 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a. X means 3x plus 1, by a means 2. Generally we will do right, we will forget it. We will forget it. By 2 plus c we will write, but this problem is wrong. Why, sir? Because we have considered this is x, but again there is x quotient. So into derivative means into 3, integration means by 3. This we will forget generally. That is the reason I am telling to take common. If you are very conscious, you don't do any human errors, means we can apply this formula. Nothing wrong in it. So 2 into 3, 6. 1 by 6, tan inverse. How much? 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c over. That's all. This is, if you remember it, it is okay. Directly you can write, no problem. Already will come. Otherwise, what you have to do? Here take 9 common. X square plus 6 by 9. 6 by 9 means 2 by 3. X plus 5 by 9. So that as usual, as what I said, you can do it. See, any other problem it comes, that fraction, we will do it once again. Okay, you do that one as a practice by taking 9 common. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Somewhere else comes means I will do it. So don't worry. Fraction also I will do it. I will show you. If negative, so many problems will come ahead. So we will proceed like that. Okay, my dear students. These are all depend upon the practice only. Practice, calculus needs much practice. The person who practices more, definitely he will be good at doing calculus. Okay. Here intelligence is very less required. Mechanical process more in this. So practice needed more. Problem number 12 now. See, my dear student, in this integral 1 by root of, how much is given? 7 minus 6x minus x square dx. Yes, this is the problem given. 7 minus x square minus 6x given. Okay. Now see here. Here what happened now? X square quotient is not there, but negative is there. So minus 1 quotient is there. So that we will take common now. Integral 1 by square root of, I take minus common, then inside root only x square plus 6x minus 7 I will write, I will dx here. Sir, why sir? We will bring minus outside. Minus cannot come out from root, then it will become complex number I. Remember this. So it is not a real number. Minus if you cannot bring from outside from root. If it is right, if you want to bring, it is nothing but I, complex number. So imaginary number will come. So keep that minus inside the root only. So 1 by square root of minus of, as usual, you forget about this minus, you do what I said, the perfect square method. What is that? X, you write x. Next, what is the sign? Plus. Half of the x quotient 3, you write 3 whole square. So minus square of the number. What is the square of the number? 3 square, 9. What is the constant here? Minus 7. Minus 7 you write. That's all. I told you, no? That is the case only. Over. So variable x, sign plus, half of the x quotient, whole square, minus of the square of the number, whatever the constant given, that you write there. Now you simplify. Integral 1 by square root of minus of x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 minus 16, that is nothing but 4 whole square dx. Now this work is over with the minus. Now I will multiply with minus, the minus and minus plus, this will become minus, then it will become 4 square minus of x plus 3 whole square dx. This is the final. Now which formula it is? 1 by root of a square minus x square. Can you tell me what is that? 1 by root of a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. So remember that. So it is nothing but sin inverse. X means x plus 3, by a means 4 plus c over. That's all. My dear students, you understood? This is important problem. This is important. We took minus common. and keep minus as usual outside. When our key is over, then you multiply it with minus, then we applied the formula. Okay, let us move to the problem number 13. Next problem number 13. Okay, basing on this we'll do these problems. Okay, next problem number 13. So in this problem number 13, what is given, we'll see now. Integral 1 by square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. If root is not there, we'd have adjusted, but root is there, we can't do anything. So our only one thing is here, we have to multiply inside the root. Then how much you'll get? X square minus 3x plus 2 dx. Correct or not? You see, x square minus 3x plus 2. As usual, perfect square. Integral 1 by square root of x variable, sign is minus, half of the x quotient at 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole square, minus 9 by 4, minus square of the number 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 plus constant 2 dx. So procedure is same everywhere, so that you remember. Okay, no confusion. Integral 1 by under root of, now I'll write x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now if you take 4 2's are 8, so minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 by 4, which can be written as 1 by 2 whole square dx. Okay, so now which formula it is there? Integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. What is 1 by root of x square minus a square? Log mod of x plus root of x square minus a square. We already studied the formulas. So log mod of x means all will come, x minus 3 by 2 plus root of this one, x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now plus c. Or if you want to simplify further, we can write this one. Which one? X minus 1 into x square minus 3x plus 2 also you can write, nothing wrong in it. So either that or this, whatever you want to do, you can do, nothing wrong in it. Here what will happen? To log of 2x minus 3 plus log of root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Constant will go, I told you, whatever the by log constant will be there, that is all nothing but in C only it will go, as we proved previously also. Okay, you need not to worry, either this form or 2x log of 2x, I'll write here, log of or log mod of 2x minus 3 by 2 is there, log of a by b, so log a minus log b. Okay, so plus here log mod of plus root of, how much you write? X square minus 4x minus 3x plus 2 dx, that's all, plus c. That form or this form, both are same only. If you simplify this, you will get this, nothing else. Okay, my students, you see once again. So see once again that problem will come to know. So problem number, we have what we did, problem number 13. So 13th problem we have completed. So now let us see that x minus 3 by 2 plus root of 3x, he left x minus 3 by 2 plus root of this only put. You can simplify this also or this, I told you, so nothing on it, whatever you want you can do it, that formula, that method you can do it. Next problem number 14, I will give the problem number 14 as homework, because I'll write here, because the same problem I told you, like this, 12th problem number 14, just like 12th problem. So the homework problem what is there, I'll write here, you see, will come to know. So you understood, all these problems are nothing but formula based. We have to put into perfect square form and formula based. So we can do these problems very fastly, very easily also, provided if you know that. Now problem number 14, homework, I'll write here, homework. What is that? Integral 1 by root of 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. Same like that. 12th problem, just like 12th problem, this is problem number 14. Problem number 15, I think you cannot do, leave it off. Now problem number 17, I will give homework. This is also you can do. So x plus 2 by root of x square minus 1 dx. What we will do? We did in problem number 4, 9 or 7, 8, I don't know. Separate it. X by root of x square minus 1 plus 2 by root of x square minus 1. F dash x by root f of x is 2 root f of x form. So 14, 17 without any problem you will do it. Not only that, 16 also you can do it. You see, integral 4x plus 1 by root of, how much is there? 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. So with this we will see now 4x plus 1 by root of 4x square minus 2x plus 3. Now what is the derivative of 2x square? 4x. What is the derivative of x? 1. What is the derivative of 3? 0. So which form it is? Integral f dash x by root f of x dx is equal to how much? 2 root f of x plus c. So according to this formula, I am just going to proceed 2 into root of f of x means 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. So you must be very aware of those formulas. Then if you are aware of the formulas, then immediately you can identify which form it is. Simply another function, another type you need not to go. So do 14 and 17, 16 already told, 15 tomorrow we will discuss. Some more problems are there. In next class we are going to discuss those problems. Okay, be practice, you'll get it.